Hi, it's Katrina, Heather and Jess from the agency, and we're here at our brand new listing at 53 Angela Road, Rockyview. What do you think, Heather?
I think it's a great family home. We're out here on an acre. We have 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and an enormous shed. Let's go and have a look.
How fantastic is this hidden gem with a great entertaining area?
How beautiful would it be to wake up in the morning to this beautiful modern kitchen? You could cook in here whilst looking over your beautiful gardens.
If you like what you see here, just give myself, Heather or Jess a call today.